Forensic comparison of a latent print to a known print demands rigor, repeatability, and a clear record of how the examiner reached their conclusion. The Scope panel brings that workflow directly into Photoshop, where you already work. Open both prints in Photoshop. In the Scope panel, assign one as the latent and one as the known, and load them. Scope pulls them into a single comparison canvas, ready for analysis. Start a session, and Scope begins recording your visual path across the print, every region you examined, in the order you examined it. As you identify points of comparison, mark them with Add. Misplaced a point? Switch to Delete and clean it up. Each pass becomes its own session, and you can run as many as the case requires, building up a layered record of your analysis, not just a final answer.
When a session is done, press Stop, then Complete to lock it. It becomes a permanent part of the record. Then run Analyze. Scope applies ridge enhancement to clarify the latent, generates a clarity map showing where the impression is clear and where it isn't, and builds a heat map of your tracking density, a visual record of where you focused your attention. Each result lands as its own layer with independent opacity, so you can blend, compare, and demonstrate your reasoning at any point in the workflow. When you're ready to document, export to PS. Scope rebuilds the full stack as a Photoshop file: base, enhancement, clarity, heat map, paths, and minutia at the PPI your reporting demands. Every layer is editable. Every layer is courtroom ready. Scope, built for forensic examiners by Touchbase Forensics.